A 2025 Honda Civic Sport. We're going to be changing out the cabin air filter and the engine air filter. Should be a straightforward, easy DIY job. Let's get started. Alright, you got to open your glove box. And this is where we're going to be working. We're trying to get behind this. So what you're going to do is you're going to release it right here. This has a little indent where you can put your finger on. Just going to press that in. And that comes out. Then we're going to squeeze these tabs on the side here. This one here. There's another one on this side here. See that? Let's get a light over there. There you go. I'm going to push the glove box in. See how it comes down? And we'll do it on this side as well. Right here so you can see what's going on. And then the whole glove box is going to come down like so. What you want to do from here, let's just give a little tug. Release from the hinges. One. And then the other side. Give a little tug. And it comes completely out. And there you go. And these are the hinges. There's one here. And there's one there. That's where you're going to put it back in when you go to reinstall it. Alright, let's work on our filter now. Alright, let's get this filter out. There's a tab here and a tab here. You just squeeze them in, remove this door, come straight out. It does have up on here, so be cautious of that, be aware of that. Okay, here is your filter. Right here. You want to be sure how it comes out. It goes back in. They do have an airflow here, which is showing down. Let's take the filter out. Okay, it is showing airflow down. Ooh, this one's rather dirty. Alright, let's get the new air filter in there. Here is the airflow on this one. It is showing down. And these harder sides go down the side here. So, like I said, just be careful. Make sure you got your arrow going the right way. Just slide that right in there nice and easy. That's all it is. Take your cover. Remember the arrow's pointing up. Cover on. Snaps right into place here. 1 and 2. Check it, make sure it's tight in there. That's it. That's all there is to it. Let's get our glove box back on. Alright, let's get the glove box back in. You're going to use this hinge and this hinge. Line that up. Put the hinges on the glove box itself. Put that in there. Clicks right in. Push in the sides. They click right in. This little rod comes down. You can pull it out. And you can see where that just pops on there. Here it's snapping into place, and that's in, and that's in, and that does it. All done, easy peasy. Let's go outside and take care of the engine air filter now. Here we are under the hood. This is where your air filter lives, in this box. We're going to loosen up this 5.5 millimeter screw that helps hold the air box to the air inlet tube. Not sure if it's necessary or not. It just seems a little easier to do it. It also has a Phillips head on there. You can use a Phillips. We're going to go use a 5.5 millimeter. And then we're going to pop these clips. One here. And we're going to pop this one here. Take those clips out. And the air filter should raise up. And we'll put the new one in. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to start by loosening up this 5.5 millimeter clamp. The air inlet. I'm not sure if this really helps. I think it will give us a little more wiggle room in here. It's kind of tight. That aside, now we're going to pop our clips. One here. One here. Now this should lift up we should be able to gain access to our air filter. There's plastic hooks in the back that this hooks into. It should just release itself and come right out. There we go. Take it out. No need to take this cover off. Take it off just to show you where the plastic clips are in the back. So here's your air filter, and down here is the two clips that these tabs slide into. One here, one there, and there's your tab. Let's take your air filter out. Oh yeah, she's pretty dirty. Let's put the new one. Before we do that, we're going to clean all this debris that's in the air box out of there. Just going to give it a quick vacuum. Alright, get your new air filter. Place it in like so. That goes in just like that. It only goes in one way. Now we're going to line up these tabs with those tabs back there. I'm also going to slide it back into the inlet tube. That's in, that's in. And down. One click. Two clicks. And that is secure. Tighten up our 5.5 millimeter bolt. And this job is done. There you go, all done. So there you go, a couple of easy DIY maintenance projects on your 2025 Honda Civic Sport 2.0 liter. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. Comment below if I missed anything. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.